It's your boy Chef Sonny, and I'm back with another delicious and healthy meal for you. Okay, you know that coronavirus could get to you, man. If it don't make you sick, it'll get you where you're stuck in that boredom mode, you know, and you're not exercising, you're eating any and everything. And then shit, you could just be eating because you're bored. But now I'm gonna hook up this healthy meal, something that's easy to do. You can follow. Man, some of these little meal preps I've been doing for myself, because trust me, I'm telling you from experience that boredom got to me. So follow me. Nice little easy recipe. I got some sesame salmon and some roasted sweet potatoes and zucchini. So let's get busy. All right, you see how I'm rocking. I got some Tamari soy sauce, some roasted sesame oil, some olive oil, some ginger, some honey, and some sesame seeds. Then I got some zucchini, sweet potatoes, some green onion, and some garlic. And finally I got 2 salmon fillets. I already took the skin off of it. You know, that's optional. You can if you want to. I don't like the skin, so I take it out. But let's get started with roasting the veggies, okay? We're gonna go ahead and add the zucchini, the sweet potatoes, and the garlic to a mixing bowl. Drizzle that hoe with a little olive oil and sprinkle with some salt and pepper. And you can get a spoon to mix it up or something if you want, or you know, you could just use the flick of the wrist and toss some joints like that. Get all the seasonings in the oil nice and coated. Then we want to layer them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Yes, use parchment paper, not foil, because it's less likely to stick on the parchment paper. Single layer, spread them out nice and even. And then in the oven that's preheated at about 425, we're gonna pop these joints in. Alright, while those veggies are roasting in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the marinade for the salmon. Alright, to a mixing bowl, we're gonna toss in some ginger. We're gonna toss in that olive oil, the Tamari soy sauce, the sesame oil, and of course, the honey. Alright, so now we're gonna get a whisk and just blend everything together. This delicious concoction for the salmon. And after you get it all blended, we're just gonna add that salmon in and just let the salmon mingle and get to know that marinade. Let them become one, because I'm gonna tell you something. This shit right here will be gooder than a mug. So just let them sit in that marinade for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, by now your zucchini and sweet potatoes should be just about done. Not quite, but we're gonna finish it up with the salmon. So go ahead and get you a spatula, give them a little mix, and then kind of spread them out to the sides, because in the middle we're gonna add that nice marinated salmon. Then we'll pop the pan back in the oven for about 10 minutes, or until your salmon is nice and flaky and cooked all the way through, and you are done. Gooder than a mug.